Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita HR006G 40V max cordless rotary hammer. Please like, subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos. Active feedback sensing technology turns the motor off if bit rotation is suddenly forced to stop. Powerful brushless motor delivers 21.4 joules of impact energy to handle the most demanding applications. Vibration to operator's hand is reduced by AVT. The torque limiting clutch engineered to minimize gear damage by automatically disengaging gears if the bit bites.
One here.
AWS system connects to compatible vacuum cleaners with Bluetooth. Twin LED lights with preglow and afterglow function for better illumination.
Until 52 mm lah.
Oh, okay.
For drilling. This is AWS system. Auto wireless.
Okay. Thank you.
Who want to try?